Hey guys, good evening. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So kind of dark out here, kind of misty. It's a very cool night, but we have another one rolling in. A 60 sedan in a very rare color. It's the platinum silver color and very good shape, very little rust. So that's what's rolling in tonight. So anyway, we will let you guys see it here in just a second. So this is another one that's all original and untouched, but what makes it rare is this color right here, platinum silver. Very, very hard to come by cars in this color. You guys will have to excuse my voice. I'm still quite sick tonight, getting better, but this interior is great. Except for the seat right here, can't wait to get it cleaned up. Again, I'm all about preserving originality, not rusty. But like I said, this color is what made it special to us. Very, very hard color to come by. It's paint code 14, and they call it platinum gray. Door shuts great. I don't find really any dents in the car to speak of. That one right there, a little tiny wang. And another thing that I love too, has the original dealership tag. Dealerships would put tags on the trunk from where they came from. Not all cars, but a lot of them had them. And I've had a few. My mom has had a few that has also had the tags. We both have a couple here, a couple there. But it's just really cool to figure out where they came from and look at the history on that. Oh, that one's locked. All right, more in a minute.